In every organization, you will find the roles of CIO and CTO plus other C-level roles, where CIOs tend to focus on relationship between IT infrastructure and internal processes. CTOs are often more outwardly focused, taking on the task of developing technology that makes the business more competitive. Very soon now, we will have another emerging role of Chief AI Officer or CHAO. This role will be instrumental in offering new and novel AI leadership across the organization and also outside, talking with the external stakeholders. This role will primarily be responsible for AI driven innovation, not only within the company, within the departments of the company, but also with external vendors and other customers and government agencies. This role is going to offer a new dimension, a new innovation to the leadership paradigm. As more and more companies are embracing and leveraging the upcoming AI revolution, the need of Chief AI Officer is becoming more evident. The Chief AI Officer will be spearheading AI initiatives, and also the task of AI officer or the chief AI officer will be to align all the company's strategic goals with the AI tooling and concepts. Also, the task of AI officer will be to drive the strategy of any company. He or she will be bridging the gap between technology, regulations, and also business strategy. Chief AI officer will be harnessing the power of AI, and also the main responsibility of chief AI officer will be to make sure that he or she selects the right tool for the right job. I think the main challenge that CEO will face is to not fall for the hype and not waste companies' money on something which is not needed, because AI is very new. Still, lots and lots of models, tools are appearing, and there is also a lot of garbage out there. So this will be the task of AI officer to not only make sure that he or she is harnessing the AI potential, but also selecting what is really useful. Also, there is a chance of making lot of folies. I mean, for example, if a CAO or chief AI officer starts looking to build their own model by lot and lot of GPUs, build their own data center for AI, I think that will be a real deal breaker. So a chief AI officer who not only strikes the balance between the cost and the potential of business edge, I think that person will be very successful. And that brings us to the AI transformation, which is imminent for any organization. And CEO would play a central and crucial role in driving this AI transformation across the company. So this person will be leveraging AI technologies to automate processes, uncover valuable insights from data, and also leveraging the potential from growth and innovation. As we already know that all the successful CEOs, CIOs, and CTOs bring the success to the company through cultural change. So one of the main tasks of CAO or Chief AI Officer will be to introduce and implement AI first culture, just like we saw with the cloud, where everything, when we moved to cloud, everything was cloud first or cloud native. So AI native, AI first culture will be the order of the day. Then another thing which CAO would need to do is to integrate IT not only technically but also process wise, starting from the top down. So the CEO will be collaborating with cross-functional teams, including data scientists, engineers, architects, business leaders, external stakeholders, and he or she will be aligning AI strategies with business objectives, facilitate effective implementation through targeted communication, and then he will champion the AI transformation across the organization. The role is still fuzzy. I still haven't seen any chief AI officer role in any company, but it is just a matter of time that we will be seeing not only the roles being advertised, but the actual roles materializing in any given company. Thanks for listening.